Come on, we gotta do this right now. Let's go, let's go.
What are you talking about?
We gotta clean the vehicle, man. We gotta clean the interior of it. Let's go.
How do you want me to clean this? I haven't seen the vacuum in a couple of weeks.
Oh man, say less, baby. Say less. That's why you ain't seen it in a couple of weeks.
No worries, I'll get it done. Not a problem at all. Oh no. Oh no, it won't reach here. I'll get it done.
See, Bubba, just hit that corner like that right there.
So let me get this straight.
Make sure you get underneath that part too right now. Yep.
You want me to clean this toilet?
Yeah, absolutely.
What does this have to do with any car sales, and why in the world would I have to do it?
Bubba, because we're number one. We ain't number two, baby.
Hey, Bubba, I got the paper towel.
Do what? What'd you say? I couldn't hear. What are you doing? Jonathan, what the heck, man? Stop, stop, stop. Stop.
Get to cleaning, boy.
Finally got it knocked out, boss.
That's
the
what I'm
last
talking about.
one I got to
That's
clean,
what
bro.
I'm talking about.
Give me some skin. What is this?
That's the mop, man. You gotta mop the lot.
Why in the world would I need to mop the lot while it's raining?
We gotta make room for the 23s coming in, man. We got X31 off-road packages. We got daggum FX4s. Why would you not get the water out of here? I understand there's water coming down, but dust, dirt, grime, it's all gotta go, baby. Skid Plate City, shoot.
Makes sense to me.
All right, before you start getting all into that and all that jazz here, we gotta clean the grout on the floors first. And when I say we, I mean you, so get ready.
No, that's where I draw the line. I'm not cleaning the grout on the floor. What's the purpose of it?
Because, I mean, we gotta make room for the 23s, bro. Come on down, come see us. We're cleaning the house just like we're cleaning the competition up here at Kirk Brothers Ford Lincoln and Kirk Brothers Buick GMC in Greenwood. If you don't believe me, Bubba Porter's gonna tell you all about it.
Hey, 1601 Highway 82 West for the GMC store, 1512 Highway 82 West for the Ford store. Either side, either store, we just want to sell you your next vehicle. Kirk can.
Kirk can.
Come see us at Kirk Brothers in Greenwood. Kirk can.